Dickinson County has been affected by an emerging airborne illness. It's even kept some students out of school. Pertussis has struck the community for the first time in 2 years. TV6's Blair Caldwell reports.
With 7 confirmed cases of pertussis in Dickinson County schools, it's cause for concern.
Knowledge is the best power to one, recognize it, and then 2, try and prevent it and fight it.
The Dickinson Iron Health Department says they haven't seen a case of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, for 2 years. Just recently, school-age kids have come down with the airborne illness.
The best protection we have against whooping cough is to be vaccinated. While we still may have some cases out there, we don't probably have as many as we could potentially if people weren't vaccinated, so vaccination is prevention.
The most susceptible to whooping cough are babies because they cannot be vaccinated until they are 2 months old. If you suspect your child is having symptoms of whooping cough, the best thing to do is to contact your healthcare provider.
As soon as we know, we're small enough to, within a short time frame, gather the information, get a game plan in place, and execute that game plan all within a day's time frame.
Iron Mountain has 2 reported cases and notified parents right away. Whooping cough is treatable through antibiotics. Healthcare officials say that 5 days after a given treatment, you are no longer contagious.
The cough can last for months. Even after treatment, the cough can continue. So that is really the major symptom, is a cough that won't go away.
Nurses say that you need to be sure of your vaccination records, and if you are unaware, to contact your healthcare provider. They also suggest pregnant women talk to their prenatal doctor about vaccination to protect their child before birth. Blair Caldwell, TV6 News, Iron Mountain.